In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders on Calendly, providing you with the full guide for 2025. First and foremost, let's head over to Calendly's platform by opening your web browser and going to Calendly's homepage. Calendly is a popular online appointment scheduling software that's both user-friendly and efficient. It helps you manage your appointments seamlessly, and sending reminders is a crucial component of ensuring everything runs smoothly. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log into your account. Click on the Login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to sign up. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. For those of you with a Google account, Calendly offers a convenient option to continue with Google. Go ahead and click on that to streamline your login process. This integration not only saves time, but also helps you manage your calendar more effectively by syncing events automatically. Next, select the Google account you'd like to use. It's a good idea to pick the one associated with your professional events, as it keeps your workflow organized. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. Now, to begin setting up reminders for your meetings, look for the New Meeting button and click on it. This is where you can start organizing all upcoming events, whether they are in-person meetings, virtual calls, or any other types of engagements you have in store. Once you've started a new meeting setup, you'll notice an option that stands out labeled Highlight. Click on this to access additional settings. Here you'll find a More Options menu, which is key to customizing your meeting and its associated notifications. Click on More Options to delve into deeper customization. As you explore this menu, you'll notice an option for notifications and workflows. This is where the magic happens for setting up your reminders. Click on it and you'll be guided to a panel specifically designed for managing how and when you'd like your attendees to be reminded about their upcoming meetings with you. Following that, locate email reminders from the list of notification options. Clicking on this will open up settings specific to sending email reminders, allowing you to tailor them to fit the occasion and the attendee's needs. After tweaking the email reminder settings to your liking, make sure all the highlighted options that appear are activated as necessary. Finally, to ensure all your preferences are saved and applied, click on Save Changes. This step is crucial to guarantee that your reminders will function correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up reminders for your meetings in Calendly. This not only helps in reducing no-shows, but also keeps all parties informed and up to date. Thank you for tuning into this walkthrough. Make sure to subscribe for more guides like this one, and we'll see you in the next video.